हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ द फोर्थ वीडियो लेक्चर ऑफ मोल कॉन्सेप्ट। ये वीडियो समझने के लिए पहले लेक्चर 3 का वीडियो तुम देख लो, उसके बाद ये वीडियो पे आओ। इन आवर लास्ट वीडियो वी डिस्कस अबाउट मोल एंड द definition of mole. So in this video we are going to use some formulas to find the value for number of moles, and also we are going to solve few questions, and I will also give you some questions for homework. So this is our first formula for calculation of number of moles. So number of moles is equal to given mass by molar mass. Now if suppose number of particles are given, suppose number of atoms and ions are given, then we will apply this formula. Number of moles is equal to given number of atoms or ions, we can say particles, divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now if volume is given, then we will apply the third formula, that is number of mole is equal to given volume at STP, that will be given in liter, by 22.5 by 22.4 liter. Or you can also write the formula, if the volume is given in milliliters, then we will write given volume at STP in ml by 22400 ml. STP means standard temperature and pressure, that is temperature 0 degree Celsius and pressure 1 bar. Let us solve the first question from mole concept. Write the question. Calculate number of moles in 10 gram H2, in 70 gram N2, and 88 gram CO2. So we will write given mass is equal to 10 gram and molar mass of H2, which is equal to 2 gram. Therefore number of mole will be equal to given mass by molar mass, that is 10 gram divided by 2 gram. So it will give us 5 mole. Now we are going to do the next question. Next question is 70 gram nitrogen. So now we are going to put the formula directly. So here it is number 2. So we are going to write number of mole equal to that 70 gram, that is given mass by molar mass. So 70 gram will be the given mass, so I'm writing 70 divided by the molar mass. So for molar mass we know N2 is the formula. So for nitrogen 2 into the atomic mass of nitrogen, which is 14, so it will be 28 gram. So 70 gram divided by 28 gram. So 70 will go 7 will go 10 times, and 28 4 times. So 10 by 4, which can cancel, 5 by 2, that is 2.5 mole. Next question is 88 gram of CO2. So again we are going to write, first we find the molar mass, which is 12 plus 2 into 16, which is 44 gram. So CO2 has molar mass 44 gram. So similarly we are again going to write number of mole is equal to given mass by molar mass, which will give us given mass, it is already given in the question, 88 by 44. So it will go 2 times, so that is 2 mole. So next question, calculate number of moles in number A 18.066 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of He, that is helium. Same number B 6.022 into 10 to the power 20 molecules of H2. So let us solve. तो देखो क्या है ना, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन A. So here given number of particles are 18.066 10 to the power 23. So obviously we are going to use the number of moles formula in terms of the particles. So it is number of moles is equal to given number of particles or atoms divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. सो डायरेक्टली हम लोग वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे अभी 18.066 इंटू 10⁻23, ये गिवन वैल्यू है, डिवाइडेड बाई 6.022 इंटू 10⁻23। तो डायरेक्टली हम लोग 10⁻23 को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं एंड 18.066 3 टाइम जाएगा 6.022 का, तो आंसर विल बी 3 मोल्स। सेम वे अभी हम लोग बी नंबर को करेंगे, तो बी नंबर सेम फार्मूला विल बी अप्लाइड बिकॉज यहाँ पे भी नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स एटम मॉलिक्यूल्स दिया हुआ है। सो अगेन गिवन नंबर ऑफ एटम्स और पार्टिकल्स मॉलिक्यूल्स वॉट एवर यू राइट, बट हियर इन द क्वेश्चन मॉलिक्यूल लिखा हुआ है, सो हम लोग मॉलिक्यूल लिखेंगे। सो गिवन नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स डिवाइडेड बाई 6.022 इंटू 10⁻23। सो नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इज 6.022 इंटू 10⁻20 दिया हुआ है, देन डिवाइडेड बाई 6.022 इंटू 10⁻23। So 6.022 कैंसिल जाएगा, 10⁻20 minus 23, that will give us 10⁻³ moles. Okay, so this is how you'll solve. So write another question. Calculate the number of moles in number A 112 liters of H2 in STP. Number B 5.6 liter of helium at STP. So now we are going to solve. तो देखो क्वेश्चन में लीटर दैट इज वॉल्यूम में क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द फॉर्मूला in terms of volume, that is number of mole is equal to the given volume at STP by 22.4. So given volume for the first question is 112, so 112 divided by 22.4, so हम लोग इसको कैंसिल करेंगे तो 5 टाइम्स से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो आंसर विल बी 5 मोल्स। सेम फॉर नंबर बी, again number of mole will be equal to again given volume in at STP by 22.4, so 5.6 divided by 22.4, so इसको हम लोग कैंसिल करेंगे, so it will go 1/4, so 1/4 means 0.25 mole. So let us solve another question. Here 11200 ml of N2 at STP. So STP, so volume is given, but here the volume is given in terms of milliliter. So we are going to apply this formula. Number of mole will be equal to given volume divided by 22400. So given volume is 11200 divided by 22400. So 00 कैंसिल जाएगा, then देखो 1/2, 1/2 मतलब हाफ मोल, so this answer is 0.5 मोल, और 1/2 में रखने से भी चलेगा. So this is your homework, 5600 ml O2 at STP. If you want to send your doubts or any question from NCERT or previous NEET paper, previous JEE paper, or whatever is the question, you can send me in this email ID or WhatsApp in this number. Thank you.